Busted. I'm just doing a little angle here for a piece of wood. I'm using a 1x6 and I'm creating a ledge that a stereo system can sit on here. I think eventually I'll do some built-ins all along this wall, but we want some functionality in the room right now while we're getting things done in the house. So I'm going to turn this little 2.5-inch ledge into a 6-inch ledge. That way we can have the stereo system up on it and all the cords tucked away. And then we're gonna kind of revamp what our bedroom looks like right now because our furniture arrived.
Yes.
Philip and I have been together since we were 19 years old and we have never bought a full bedroom set. We have always had our mattress with a DIY headboard. We've never actually bought a bed that was like headboard, footboard, everything put together. We've always just done sort of our own little makeovers in our bedrooms. And so we're excited to have some like adult furniture in our room. Matching nightstands. We're gonna put some furniture together. We have a new couch for this space, curtains, you name it, we have it for this space. So we're excited to get it put together. But the first thing I wanna do is kind of do some of the messy things like tackling, putting up this ledge and doing some putty fill. So I used this little piece of cardboard to make a template for my angle here. So I know that my ledge is going to go flat onto the wall here. I'm going to use my little cardboard piece and line it up along the flat part I made. And now I know the angle that I need to cut using the jigsaw to actually make this fit in that little corner over there. Yeah. And then I can cut my length. So I'm going to make sure that this fits first. Still going to sand the end. That fits in nicely. The angle. Make my mark on this end. I know how far I need to go. Double checking before I cut it.
Yeah.
It's definitely deep enough for your stereo.
Oh.
Perfect.
Hey, hon. What you doing?
Who ordered all this furniture? Like, getting new furniture sounds really great, but then it arrives in cardboard boxes and you have to put it all together. So our bed and our bedroom furniture, our dressers, couch for our bedroom, vintage rug, coffee table, end tables, closets, you name it. And we've had them here for about 6 weeks and we haven't put any of it together yet because we've been building stuff for other rooms and we still have Phil's mom and dad's room to get furniture put together. Both the boys' rooms to put the furniture together.
Oh, yeah.
But our bed is still on the floor and we need to get it up off the floor. So we're building our bed tonight. And then hopefully tomorrow we get the dressers put together, like nightstand dressers.
Yeah.
So many pieces. But it's going to be gorgeous. And then the thing is that we're still waiting for our flooring. So all of this might actually have to get moved when we do our flooring anyways. But we just need to get up off the floor, so.
Get up off the floor.
Get up off the floor.
Resorting at all costs. Oh. I think you're almost there. Good job, buddy.
I have a whole baggie of the same tools because all the furniture's been coming with a tool in each of the boxes. So we have a whole Ziploc baggie of Allen keys that are all the same size. And now we have all these little mini wrenches and stuff. They come in handy, but we have so many now.
A dozen Allen keys.
I think we have more than that at this point. And more to come. Yeah. Oh, you're just showing my
Busted.
I don't want it to go totally against the walls. I'm just sticking a cardboard box for now.
The secret's revealed.
I'm worried it's gonna bend the top
Yeah.
headboard until we figure out if it slides once the mattress is on. Cute lamps for the bedroom.
Aw.
Excuse to get them out of the box. May not need to be up this far, but these are just temporary.
It's actually not bad. That's kind of perfect.
Yeah, because the dressers are going to be out of it too, so you won't see it once the And instead of getting little nightstands, I bought little mini 3-drawer dressers. So we have his and hers that match the same. Because I like to keep in my top drawer a little notebook for my ideas and a lip gloss and like a few little trinket things. And Phil likes to keep like video editing things in the side and the top because he likes to sit in bed and edit sometimes. So I like to have a drawer for a few things plus our little knick-knackies at the top. So I thought a little dresser would be cuter than a little 1-drawer nightstand.
No, and I agree.
And these lamps actually attach on the wall, and then we can angle them however we want. So we have like, it's a pair. We're a pair, hon. And we have an adult bed for once. So this
We've always had the adult bed, but you made the last one.
We have never had an actual store-bought built bed kit.
Yeah, or brand new anyways.
Or brand new, yeah. We've always had just a rail with the wheels on it and then the mattress on it and then like a DIY headboard or something.
Yeah.
So it's fun to get an actual bed. And this is like, we got a king size. We used to have a king and then we switched to a queen and we regretted it. We were like, we need a king size bed with 3 dogs and 2 kids and us.
Need space.
This mattress is so heavy.
And huge.
We got this up the stairs and then into this mini door that's in the bedroom that's way too small. It's the size that maybe a twin would fit through. And we shoved this thing. We actually strapped around.
Don't give away the secrets.
Trying to get it in the door.
We didn't fold this king in half.
We didn't fold this king in half. It looks so big because it's actually bigger than the width of the mattress that's been sitting here. So it feels.
Here, let me see if I can get
It feels huge.
full shot. Oh yeah, that's big.
It feels so big compared to what was here. Another night spent working on the bedroom. We worked on some of the living room today. And now that things are drying, we wanted to come up and do a little bit more work in our room. Progress, just even little bits every night makes a huge difference in the space that we're living in right now. So I want to show you kind of where we're at. We still need to do painting, hang our pictures on the wall, kind of do a lot of things like building more furniture in here. We didn't get too far with the furniture building, but we did get some done. So I want to show you the progress before we go on to another day of working. All right, so number one awesome solution was putting curtains on our windows because the morning sun blasts through this patio door. So it's really hard to tell in the lighting here tonight, but we have these dark navy blue crushed velvet kind of on either side and then just white in the middle kind of makes it a little more airy, but this makes these tall ceilings seem even more grand when you walk in the room. And then our new comfy couch arrived. So we have this gorgeous crushed velvet, navy blue, very coastal colored blue couch. Just a coffee table for now. I don't know if this is the one that's gonna stay in this space, but it came a little bit of a different color than I thought it was going to when it arrived. And then gorgeous vintage rug. So I'm excited about this rug. Can't wait to see it in the daylight now that it's been all unrolled. And then, as you can see, this is the area in the room here that needs some repair. So it's the only part in here that needed to have some work done. So we will tackle that when we get to painting this space. And all the putty for the wood filler is drying on the ledge that I made. All of these electronics will be hidden. You won't see any cords or anything when we're done, but this wall here is just a nice spot. It's the only TV that we have in the house, and it's just for us to have little movie nights in here with the kids. So I think that's really nice to have that in there. I want to do something really neat with this door, which I obviously haven't done anything with yet. And then we did the wider ledge on this side here, 6 inches. I want to do a couple of little ledges going into that little triangle there, just for a few little keepsake items. And then our bed is all built. So I'm so excited to finally have our bed up off of the ground. And you can see we tackled putting together just one part of this 3-drawer dresser on this side. And then there's the same one in the box here waiting to go on this end. And then on this side of the room here, going to the other side, we have 2 large bamboo closets that are going to go in this space over here so that Philip and I can have a spot to put our clothes because there is no closet in this room. So you can see we've made lots of progress in just 2 nights after working on the living room. So far, so good. We have more work to do, but we're going for sort of just the relaxed, comfortable, and really coastal vibe in here. So I still want to hang up photos and bring all my plants in here. So photos are going to go on this wall here. And then, of course, we need to build the patio to go out there to look at the beautiful scenery.